Hey, what's up guys? So today's video is going to be kind of quick, or not quick, but it won't be that long. It's going to be something that I meant to finish a while ago. I just never got around to it, and I kind of wanted to make the piece that I'm putting in today, but I wound up getting it anyway, so let me get into it. So what I'm doing is finishing up the installation on this radio. As I said in my original video of installing this, it's a Boss 611 UAB. I got it from AutoZone for, I believe, $40 plus $10 for the wiring harness and radio antenna adapter, because for GM cars, for some reason, they changed their antenna style, or their antenna plug thing, or whatever, that plugs into the back of the radio. On most cars, it's like big, but for the GM cars, after I think it's 1991 or something like that, it's a lot smaller. I can show you guys what I mean by that. I believe I showed it in my other video, so you guys can always go check that out. I'll put a link or the card, whatever it is, up here in the corner or something like that. So I'm installing this piece, and as you can see, it's curved because that's how the bezel is, and that's the original shape of the radio. So without this sits funky, and you would have seen that in my other video. So this top part is the top of what the old radio would look like, and this is where my radio will now go. So it'll sit something like that. It'll be better once I actually put it in correctly and all. So, and you're probably wondering, but I got this piece from, if you saw my last video on, well, all that stuff, I explained it in my last video, so go check that out. But this piece I actually got when I got all that stuff, you're probably wondering why it looks carbon fiber, and that's because I wrapped it in carbon fiber, actually. I had ordered a carbon fiber vinyl wrap from an app called Wish. I paid like $1 for it, or $2 with shipping. Wish is a really great app. You guys can go check it out. It's I can put a link to it if you guys want it. But yeah, this turned out really nice. I'm like completely blown away with how it turned out, and every single time I looked at it after I was done it, I just was blown away. Like I said, like it just turned out great. The only problem that's not a big deal are these corners, and it was my first time, so it's not the best. But other than the top two corners, like I said, this thing looks magnificent, and it's gonna look great here. It's a subtle carbon fiber look, but I like it. So let's get to installing it. Well, that was a little hassle because the little push pins that hold in, like, what's it called? There's like two little push pins down here that I showed you guys in my previous video on this. And this one was being such a pain because it's so hard to see where the hole is, so it's hard to line it up. But, my God, this looks so good. Just like, I'm so happy how it turned out. Like, and you can't even see those corners that I said that I kind of messed up a little bit. It just, it looks like I nicked it a little bit here, but Oh well. It's not a big deal. Yeah. So if you guys ever want to do this, it's really simple. It's just some wires, plugs, pretty much plug and play for all that. If you know how to wire some stuff up, really easy to do a radio install in your car, especially if you have an older car like mine, which mine's a 1997. So upgrading a radio is a great idea to do, because this radio now has Bluetooth, an aux port, stuff like that. I can accept calls and stuff like that, so it's really great. Usually, like install or dash kit thing usually costs about like $15-$20. So these things aren't that expensive to do. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing. I'm trying to put out videos as fast and quick and best as I can, with my limitations with school and stuff like that. But go check out those 2 videos that I have right here for you guys. They're my latest 2 videos, so enjoy those if you haven't already watched them. And like I said, subscribe, come back, comment. Thanks guys for watching again, and remember, keep being you.